it is your boy Kwame here. I am back. Everyone, my subscribers that stayed here, all my new subscribers and all my future subscribers, I just want to say a big thank you. We are working on arms. I'm going to use this little plate over here to teach you how you can activate your biceps. You can use this as a bicep destroyer. This is time and attention. The advantages about time and attention is that it allows you to focus on using the muscle rather than using the joint. So you don't need crazy heavy weights. See, a lot of people have heard about the eccentric phase, which is basically your negative phase. So I'm just gonna give an example where you're going down really slowly. This is called the negative or eccentric phase. Today what we're going to work on is slowing down the concentric phase. Now the importance of the concentric phase I find is that this helps with muscle activation. You can really focus on the squeeze. Today is all about activation, getting those biceps activated, because sometimes people say I can't feel the pump, I'm training hard, I hit my biceps crazy hard, but guys, if you're not using the muscle itself, you ain't gonna be getting it, okay? We're gonna start off with a common bicep curl. With our bicep curl, we're gonna keep our hands, we're gonna isolate everything, so we're gonna keep our elbows closer to our body. This is gonna stop our elbows from moving forward and backwards. We wanna keep that isolation on the bicep. I'm gonna do this with one hand, so I'm gonna drop my weight plate, okay? So, one hand. Now, a good way is to actually tap our bicep. This is called mind-muscle connection. It's gonna connect those two together. Now, just tapping up my bicep, I'm gonna come up, slow and control. Now, my main focus is on the bicep, okay? The main reason I'm using the plate for this one is just allowing me that free range of motion, okay? So, this way I can actually control, and when I get up to the top, I can actually get a bit of a rotation as well on my arm. And guys, if we come in even closer, what you can see is when I rotate my arm in, you can see the bicep squeeze. And that's what I want to focus on today. It's all about that activation of the bicep. So coming up really slowly, really slow, control, and squeeze, guys. When you get up to the top, this one is called an isometric hold. So we get that squeeze in really tight. So guys, what I'll personally do for this, for a warm-up, is about 5 reps of this. So 5 reps coming up really slow and control, over 10 seconds up, okay? After you go to the top, squeeze it for 2 seconds and then down. After those 5 reps, you're gonna get some sort of activation there. Now you can either increase the weight or do about 10 reps. And the point of this controlled movement is to keep that tension also on the muscle. You're gonna get even a nice little bit of a pump from it as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, guys. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comments below. Hit that like and subscribe button so I can do more as well. Guys, also put any suggestions what you want to see more of. So make sure you guys comment. Even just drop a comment and say hi. I really appreciate that, and I really appreciate everything. Thank you so much. Big shout out to my boy Tamani as well. Make sure you follow him on Instagram, Foster the Chalk. I'll put his link in the description as well. Enjoy the rest of your new year. Set those goals, smash them. Don't forget it.